I will get the wear that needs to be done to make these seem like a good purchase, and they are a good purchase.
Alexasunshine 83, it's always sunny here. Boop.
Hey Sunshiners, AlexaSunshine83 right here. Hello, happy sunny Sunday, what is up? Today's video, I am doing an online come thrifting with me. One thing I've gotten really into the past couple months is online thrifting. So Depop, Poshmark, Etsy. And I know like online thrifting isn't actually online thrifting. It's secondhand clothes, and it just makes it easier to title this video. And since we are online thrifting, I figured today's sponsor was perfect, which is ShopTagger, which ShopTagger is an app or extension on your browser where you can save any of the items that you're potentially looking at purchasing. Specifically online thrifting, sometimes I can get just overconsumed with the amount of items, and I feel like I end up purchasing stuff that I'm not honestly completely in love with. So having a place to look at all the items and make a more conscious decision, all you have to do is download it and install the browser button when you are online shopping and you see a product that you want to save to your account. All you have to do is click the ShopTagger button in the upper right hand corner, and from there you can decide if you want it to notify you when there's any price changes or a certain percentage off. You can also choose based on the sizing if you're looking for a particular size, and when that product goes on sale or comes back in stock, ShopTagger emails you letting you know. And if you download the ShopTagger app on your phone, you can also get push notifications letting you know as well. And when you do save an item, you can put it in a specific list category. That way you can keep things organized. ShopTagger also shares coupon codes at checkout. So if there is an available code, ShopTagger will find it for you. And it's especially a must-have for Black Friday and Cyber Monday shopping that is gonna be coming up. And the coupon feature is on desktop, but not yet on mobile, so the Google Chrome extension is a must. They also just launched a new cashback feature. You can earn cash via PayPal when you shop from select retail partners. ShopTagger is also doing a $5,000 giveaway, which I will be talking about how to enter at the end of the video. As you can see, it's super easy. There's nothing better than saving some money, especially on sustainable and ethical companies or even with secondhand clothes, and also it's free. If you want to add it to your browser or on your phone, just click the link right down below in my description. But yeah, grab a coffee, grab a snack, and come thrift shopping with me online. Right, so I think I want to start on Depop. You know, I don't really know what I want. I was like, I'm gonna buy my dream wardrobe, but I don't even know like what that is. Oh, this is a cute little corset. Oh my gosh, $165. These heels are really cute. I've already kind of like hearted some stuff, but I'm not feeling like super inspired by them. Ooh, these boots are so cute, but they're a size 8. I did technically find some secondhand unif boots that I will include in this video because I literally like bought them on Depop yesterday. I couldn't handle them potentially getting bought by somebody else. This is a little, not cheetah, zebra. I don't know, maybe I don't like zebra print that much. Let's see, maybe some sweaters. I love a good like pattern rampa sweater. That's always the best. Although I love fall sweaters and like holiday sweaters. They're just so fun. When I eventually get all this stuff, will it be cold out? So it'll probably take like 2 weeks. Oh, this Christmas one is so cool. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. Oh, this is a really funky sweater. I like this. Sweater vest. Okay, all right. What kind would I want? I kind of want like a pattern one. This red one's kind of nice. Who knew sweater vests were gonna be like a trend in 2020? I mean, I'm down for it. I mean, you know, trends are just, they're not really that serious. I just think it's such an interesting thing to become popular. Let's look at some t-shirts. I've been like kind of wanting to get back into t-shirts. Let me go to the people that I'm following. I'm actually really bad. A lot of times I just go on Depop on my computer, and then if I like want to follow somebody, it's like kind of difficult. So let me just look at, oh, look at how beautiful these babies are. Now this Depop account, she has so much like Winnie the Pooh stuff, and it makes me so sad because I want it all. Oh my gosh, this sweater, so good. I feel like it's a little bit long. This one's really cool too. Sweater is really cool. Why do I have to love the expensive sweaters? She has some really cute, like delicate pieces. I actually really like her home decor stuff. Hi, good morning. why not? I know a lot of people have different mixed opinions on ThredUP. I totally get it. Sometimes they're great, sometimes they aren't great. I always try to be very like cautious when I'm on ThredUP to like really see like, am I actually getting a good deal? Because sometimes you see something cute, the price that they're offering you is actually like more expensive than how much it would be if you bought it new. But it's also very nice sometimes to have the option to potentially exchange or return, especially if you get pants. I may actually go to their shoes because I've gotten some shoes from there that actually were pretty great. And I feel like shoes and bottoms are always those things where it is nice to kind of have a little just in case thing. There is this Zara blazer, it's just black. I've been really wanting just a normal black blazer versus my like leather one, but it's $33.99 and final sale, and I'm just like not a final sale girl. Like I just like having the option of being able to return potentially, so I'm gonna say no to that. This top I actually really like. I think it's really cute. This one shoulder one I'm gonna say goodbye. This like collared one, honestly $16.99. Like I like the idea of like putting it under sweaters or something, but I'm gonna have to say no. These shoes, oh my god, they're so cute. They do say that they are a size 10. Like look at how cute those are. Let's just check out with these and then go from there. So at least I have bought something in this video, finally. Ooh, we got some coupons. Come on, ShopTagger, fingers crossed. Nice, saved almost $10, heck yes. Moved over to Etsy. Love me some Etsy. And this is Ghost Vintage. I do want a white turtleneck. I feel like that's so simple. $27. Let's just save that for right now. Okay, this is one of my favorite vintage shops, Suki, and they just have amazing pieces. All the pieces I want are always sold out, and they literally drop on Wednesdays and Sundays, I think, or no, Wednesdays and Saturdays. And every time I'm like, they're on time when they go live and everything is still taken. They have these Harley Davidson boots that are a size 10, which technically is my size, but do I need them? For $98, I feel like I don't. Okay, I have been sitting here, I think for like 2 hours, going through Depop and stuff. I thought this video was gonna go very differently. I think honestly for the next like couple of hours, I'm going to continue to just be on Depop and like Poshmark, and gonna end this part here. The next part is going to be me showing you guys what I ended up getting. Although I did show, you know, some shopping and thrifting, but this is the reality of online thrift shopping. It's a lot. It takes a while because you have to dig through a lot of stuff. So I will see you in a couple of seconds with my haul. Alrighty, it has been a couple weeks. I'm now not blonde. Yeah, now I have some of the things that I got from Depop. I did have some stuff from ThredUp, but like it just didn't work. I ended up buying these shoes from ThredUp that said that they were a size 10, and I'm telling you, I could not zip them up past my heel. Like it was just horrible. Since those things didn't work out, I just figured I would include kind of like a collective thrift haul of some things I've gotten from Goodwill and Plato's Closet. And honestly, I am really proud of this thrift haul. There's a lot of green in here. There's a lot of fun sweaters, and I'm just gonna say, I think this is like my dream wardrobe thrift haul. I'm gonna just stop talking about the clothes and actually show you the clothes. This sweater vest, oh my goodness, I am so excited. I don't know about any of you, but I have been trying to actually thrift a sweater vest for such a long time. I've gone to different thrift stores in different cities. I've gone to every single section that it could possibly be in, and honestly, every other section as well, and it has been so difficult. So Depop was kind of my like next bet, and this yellow one was $30. Y'all know I am a sucker for anything yellow. It is the sizing that I wanted. It gives me a very nice like loose fit, and where I live it does not get cold, and so I can't necessarily wear full-on sweaters yet, so a sweater vest is a really great kind of option if you don't get, you know, real fall and winter, because you have a sweater which is cozy but it's sleeveless, and you can put it with a t-shirt, or you can just wear it by itself, or when it does get cold you can put it with a turtleneck. I mean, it's just the best of both worlds. The actual pattern, I absolutely am obsessed with it. It has that little v-neck, nothing too intense, and this color, oh my gosh, I love it so much. I'm still getting used to my like natural hair color. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, which is alexasunshine83, I made an Instagram reel of me getting my hair done, which I probably already talked about in Thursday's video, but I just wanted to reiterate in case you haven't seen that video. But I noticed certain yellows, I'm not in love with it. It needs to be either this just like nice, like light, almost pastel yellow, or kind of that rich mustard. If it's a dull mustard yellow, it just does not go well with this hair. This next sweater was $27. This, oh my goodness, this style sweater I have been searching for such a long time. I ended up getting a similar style one last year at the Rose Bowl flea market. I think it was like $30. It is my favorite sweater in the entire world, but as I have learned, that type of sweater is very much sought after. A lot of people also love it, and I've seen ones go for $200 on Depop, and so I knew if I wanted to get another one, I either had to just keep thrifting, fingers crossed that hopefully one day I will come into contact with another one, or just continue to try to search on Depop. I don't remember what I looked up. I think I maybe looked up like 90s like grandpa sweater, or I just went under one of them that was $200, and sometimes they'll show like similar styles. And for $27, I mean, this, like, come on, this pattern, it literally just looks like somebody threw a bunch of random sweaters into one sweater, and I am so about that chaotic sweater life. I love it. It is a little heavy. I did not realize how heavy it is. I think it's because I obviously washed everything, and it feels a little stiff just because I didn't put it in the dryer. So I just need to like wear it a bit, and I think then it'll wear in. But this is like my ultimate sweater. This next one I definitely overpaid for, but I have also been searching for this kind of boot for such a long time, and I definitely didn't want to purchase it from the actual company. I wanted to find it secondhand, so I've been searching on Poshmark and Depop and Etsy, and that is these Unif platform boots. And I love platform boots. I love, honestly, platform anything, because I can't wear heels because my feet are completely flat. And although I would say I'm kind of tall, I'm like 5'7.5". I don't know, I feel on top of the world, and these boots make me feel like a boss. And I did get them for $100, which they usually sell on Unif for $178. They are the Brat boot, and they are high. Like, I feel like me wearing the sweater and holding these up, like, they just don't go together. This is grandma energy, and this is like her 16-year-old granddaughter who's obsessed with Tumblr and like Hot Topic. They're just really cool. Honestly, the main reason why I wanted to specifically get Unif versus like a dupe is I knew that the platform would be heavy. If you are wearing a platform, especially for me because I'm very clumsy, I need the bottom to be like heavy. I need a heavy bottom to keep me on the ground, and these definitely do that, and so it's much less likely that I'm gonna fall. The great part is they have a platform in the front, so although yes, this is pretty intense, it's already kind of having you up, so this actual heel isn't that intense. I'm so excited to be able to wear these. With getting shoes right now, like, there's not too much of a purpose because it's not like I'm really going out or anything, like I'm literally just going to the grocery store, but I will wear these just with jeans. Like, I will get the wear that needs to be done to make these seem like a good purchase, and they are a good purchase. And then, like I said, I got some things at the actual thrift store, so I'm gonna start with what I got from Plato's Closet, and this top, I am very excited about it. I believe I've washed everything, so that's why I have all of these. Okay, I don't really know where I put the tag. I'm going to assume I got it for like $10. It is originally from Iris. It is in a small, and it's almost like this corset top. And the thing I really like about it is, yes, it has the corset detail on the top, but it's almost like you're wearing a t-shirt under. So I think it's a lot more wearable, and it was a really great way to add the corset style details that are very popular right now with a more like modest twist to it, because it's like a t-shirt under it. And I just love the little frills on there. It fits me honestly perfect as a small. I'm quite surprised. It is a little nice, like off the shoulder piece. It kind of reminds me of a pirate in a way. I actually saw a pirate costume when I was thrifting at Goodwill, and the like top part, I was like, I feel like you could wear that as a casual look right now, to be honest. And honestly, like this with these, I mean, that's a look. Then a shirt that is very similar to another shirt I honestly thrifted, I want to say like over a year ago, maybe 2 years ago, and this one was $10. It is in a small. It's originally from a company called Blanche. I am a sucker for a puffy sleeve, and I feel like this color is that really nice rich mustard color. I mean, literally very much matches my chair here. It's actually in really good condition. The white one I have that's very similar to this, it's not the exact same one because it's from a different brand. It's just very worn. Of course, I mean, I've literally worn it to the ground and I'm still wearing it because I love it, but this is actually in really great condition, which I'm just quite surprised. I really love the color. I think it could be a just nice like November top, December and like every other month, but specifically this nice rich mustard yellow I am so into. I then found this sweater at Plato's Closet, which I was really surprised because it's not really that like typical sweater you would find there. It's not as trendy in my opinion, but I freaking love it. It's originally from Crystal Kale. I ended up getting it for $8. It's this nice forest green sweater, has a little v-neck but nothing too intense. Totally wear it with a turtleneck, a white turtleneck, which I may have thrifted one. I just really love it. I love the actual texture of it. It's a nice like thick sweater, but not too thick. It's not itchy. It is probably my favorite sweater material. It just is there. It's just a nice sweater and it's there. Love this color. I think it actually looks really good with my hair as well, and my eyes are green, so hopefully they will pop. And then we have this other sweater, which is kind of like a trendier sweater. It was $10. It's originally from Wild Fables. This like cropped, almost mock neck sweater. It is just such a nice neon green. This with the cow print pants, like just amazing. I'm so excited to put that together. I actually met a viewer there and when she saw this, she was like, oh my gosh, these with your cow print pants? And I was like, I know, that's what I was thinking. I just think this is such a fun piece. It's a nice like funky sweater. Doesn't seem to shed, which is amazing. Specifically these types of sweaters, I don't know, you look at them and you're like, that's a sweater that would shed, but it doesn't. I found this sweater at Goodwill for $7.99. Now, apparently it was part of their Halloween shop. That's why you go into the holiday sections at the thrift store, even if you're like, oh, I'm not trying to like get a Halloween costume, because they put random stuff in there. And this green sweater, look at how cool it is. It's not the softest, it's not like super itchy, like a gross like itchy sweater, but it's definitely not the like nicest material. I really like it. Again, I love me some green. It's originally from a company called Cosi Luomo. I think it's really cool. I definitely can get the whole like Halloween vibes of it with it being black and green. Yeah, I think it's super great. This one I got for $6.99 and I have been looking for just a white turtleneck, just a white turtleneck, and it is just such a nice white as well. It's not super bright. It's not like this kind of bright, but it's almost like a nice like French vanilla ice cream type of white. I love it. Like, look at how pretty it is. It's so basic and like really not that exciting, but because I've been searching for it for such a long time, I am very excited about it. Surprisingly, there are no imperfections on this one. Been searching everywhere for it and so excited that I finally found it. All in all, I finally feel successful on my quest for thrifting sweaters for this fall and winter. I've just been on the hunt at every like come thrift with me or thrift haul for fall. I've just been like getting so upset that I couldn't find any, and here I am. Again, thank you so much ShopTagger for sponsoring today's video. They are also doing a $5,000 giveaway, which all you have to do is download the ShopTagger extension on Google Chrome, which I have linked down below, and save at least 3 items to your ShopTagger list. If I won, I definitely would use it on Made Trade because they just got some amazing sustainable and ethical home decor and even like clothing, so definitely check that out. And if you guys like thrifting videos and secondhand fashion, make sure to subscribe right down below and hit the little bell to be notified every time I make a new video. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram, alexasunshine83, to keep up to date with me during the week. I will see you guys in my next video. I hope you have a super sunny Sunday. Enjoy life, be happy, and I love you lots. Bye!